Okay, guys, made it. Honestly, wasn't sure if I was going to. Just knew that I had to. And it is absolutely gorgeous out here. The snow is beating down. Look at this drift here. You can see it's all the way up on the car. And it's not packing snow at all. It's like some serious fluffy stuff. Alright, good. That ice didn't freeze in the cooler all the way. Or ice. Yeah, you put toast in a toaster. I meant water. This looks cool. A little recessed area. Here's the steps to it. Oh, solidy. But of course, the board blew over, leaving the wind to get in. Luckily, it's like layers on layers. Poor chickens are in there screaming. Oh. Alright, sorry for the shaky camera action, but I'm trying to move this board out of the way here. So, up and over. Oh, I guess I'm about to lose battery power too. Whew. But everybody's well. And I'll put the board back up when I go, and hopefully that'll manage and maintain it. But yeah, that's what we got, folks. And it's just a coming down. Let's see what we got here. Oh, good. The birds making use of the wild bird food. I'll put out some bird food. Everything needs fed. Need to find a source. Man, it is gorgeous. The snow is just coming down heavy. There's nothing out here. It's quiet, just snow falling. I'm the only noise. And the chickens. Oh. Apparently my tent collapsed under the weight of the snow. That ain't no good. I'll have to fix that. Hopefully it'll just thaw and pop up. Oh, look at the little birdies. But on that note, I think my phone's fixing to die, folks. And my charger is locked in my car. So, deuces.